Today we're exploring how our nervous system controls chemical sensation, specifically gustation, or our sense of taste, and olfaction, our sense of smell. Chemical sensation involves detecting and processing chemical molecules within our environment. For gustation, this means detecting chemicals in food and drink, and for olfaction, it means detecting airborne chemicals. Taste begins with our tongue, which is covered in tiny bumps called papilla. These papilla contain taste buds, which house taste receptor cells. Each taste bud houses 50 to 100 taste receptor cells. Humans can detect 5 basic tastes. The first is sweetness, which indicates energy-rich nutrients. We can also detect saltiness, which helps maintain electrolyte balance, as well as sourness, which can signal spoiled or unripe food. We can also detect bitterness, which is often associated with toxic substances, and umami, which detects amino acids signaling protein-rich food. When taste receptor cells detect a taste molecule, they generate electrical signals that travel along 3 cranial nerves: the facial nerve, the glossopharyngeal nerve, and the vagus nerve. These signals are relayed to the brainstem, then to the thalamus, and finally to the gustatory cortex within our brain, where the sensation of taste is processed. Moving on, olfaction, or our sense of smell, begins in the nasal cavity, where airborne molecules are detected by olfactory receptors located in the olfactory epithelium. These receptors are specialized neurons with hair-like projections called cilia that bind to the odor molecules. When an odor molecule binds to an olfactory receptor, it generates an electrical signal that travels along the olfactory nerve to the olfactory bulb. From there, the signal is relayed to the olfactory cortex and other brain regions, including the limbic system, which is involved in emotion and memory. Taste and smell are closely linked, creating a combined sensory experience. When we eat, odor molecules from the food travel to the olfactory receptors through the retronasal pathway, enhancing the perception of flavor. This is why food can taste bland when we have a stuffy nose. Taste and smell also play crucial roles in survival. They help us detect nutritious food and avoid harmful substances. For example, a bitter taste can warn us of potential toxins, and the smell of smoke can alert us to danger. When the senses of taste and smell are impaired, it can significantly impact our quality of life. Common disorders include ageusia, which is the loss of taste, and dysgeusia, which is distorted taste. There's also anosmia, which is the loss of smell, and hyposmia, which is reduced sense of smell. These disorders can result from infections, injuries, or neurological conditions and can affect appetite, nutrition, and safety. Taste and smell are powerful triggers for memory and emotion. The close connection between the olfactory system and the limbic system means that certain smells can evoke vivid memories and strong emotions. This phenomenon is known as the Proustian effect, named after the writer Marcel Proust, who famously described how the taste of a Madeleine cake dipped in tea brought back childhood memories. There are various ways to enhance our senses of taste and smell. One is mindful eating, which involves paying attention to the flavors and aromas of food that can enhance the sensory experience. We can also regularly expose ourselves to different smells and tastes to sharpen these senses, as well as maintain a healthy lifestyle, including avoiding smoking and staying hydrated, in order to support the function of taste and smell receptors. Advancements in research and technology are helping us better understand and enhance our senses of taste and smell. Innovations such as electronic noses and taste sensors are being developed for applications in food safety, medical diagnostics, and even virtual reality. All right, and there you have it. A brief review of how our nervous system controls chemical sensation, specifically gustation and olfaction. These senses enrich our lives by allowing us to enjoy our food, detect danger, and create memories.